What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can move or transfer money between your Revolut accounts. So let's get started. Now first off, for you to do this, you will need to have more than one account on Revolut, and you can make sure that you have this by just swiping on your main account right here. So I have my main account set as a Euro account, and by just swiping I will see my other accounts that I previously created. But if you only have one account, you can just click on accounts and then create another account with these currencies right here. So once you have more than one account, you can move money between them by tapping on this move button right here. From here, go ahead and tap on the bottom option right here. Here you will be able to see all the currency accounts that you currently have under the personal accounts section right here. So let's say that I want to transfer some funds from my Euro account to my US dollar account. Then I will select my US dollar account as a receiver account. So I will tap on that. And now, as you can see, Euro is top and US dollar is bottom. So I will just select, let's say, €1 that I want to transfer to my US dollar account. So this will also, of course, change the currency. Now, once I select both of those, I will just click review order. And on the review order screen, as you can see, there is only a 1 cent fee for this transfer. So to continue, I will just tap on sell euros to USD, or for you, whichever currency as a receiver currency. And there we go. Now if we scroll to the US dollar account, we would be able that now the transfer has been successful from euros to dollars, as you can see in the transfer history. So this guys how you can exchange or transfer money between accounts on your Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.